All right, so today we're going to unpack the professional playbook of Vinay Mast. He's a business coach, a performance consultant. Our goal here is to really get into not just what he does, but, how his whole approach works to get the best out of people.
Exactly. And when you look at his background, it really sets the stage for everything.
It's incredible. An engineer and an MBA from Mumbai University. We're talking over 33 years of hands-on experience.
Right. And not just anywhere. In major corporations, demanding IT sectors, that's deep immersion.
For sure.
And I think the core insight for anyone listening is how that technical foundation really shapes his whole methodology.
Mhm.
He has this philosophy, you could almost call it systematic empathy.
Systematic empathy.
Yeah, he doesn't see these as just soft skills issues.
Mhm.
He treats them like systems that need to be optimized.
Yeah.
So he's using that engineering mindset to figure out how to unlock human potential in a really practical, tailored way.
That transition he made is so interesting. I mean, after more than 25 years in the corporate world, what makes someone pivot to coaching? And he founded MYB 360 to do this.
And with a specific focus on MSMEs.
Right. The small and medium enterprises, the real engine of the economy.
Well, I think that move was all about application. Taking all that corporate knowledge and putting it where it can have the most impact. And what's really fascinating is the commitment to customization. Every single program is built from the ground up for the client.
So no off-the-shelf solutions.
None. It's all based on their specific needs, their strengths, their challenges.
And what fuels that customization, and I love this detail, is his personal library. Is it something like 350 books?
Nearly 350, yeah.
Hmm.
And he's always attending top business seminars, so the content is constantly being refreshed. It's never stale.
Which is great, but it does raise a question.
Go on.
If you're a small business owner and you need results now, how do you make sure that knowledge from 350 books turns into action and not just theory?
That's the perfect question. And the answer is in how he distills it. That library provides the depth, but his workshops are all about application.
Okay, so like his signature course, the ABC of self-management.
Exactly. It gets straight to the point.
Hmm.
Personal accountability, effective goal setting. It's about turning big ideas into what you do every single day.
And he does the same for sales teams, right? With the Selling Skills and Tools program.
Yeah, a complete framework that works for a total novice or a seasoned pro. Plus all the other modules, time management, conflict management, negotiation. It's a really holistic view.
And he can deliver this in, what, 4 different languages?
4, English, Hindi, Marathi, and Canada. The reach that gives him is
It's
immense.
huge.
But beyond the workshops, I think his consulting work with SMEs is where that systematic approach really comes alive.
So this is more than just training.
Oh, much more. It's true performance consulting.
Mm-hmm.
He's in there helping enhance employee motivation, building up financial intelligence.
And setting up reporting structures, right? That's the nuts and bolts.
The real nuts and bolts. Daily visit reports, weekly sales reports, funnel reports. It's all about accountability.
Okay, but let's push on that a bit. For a small lean company, aren't detailed KRA's key responsibility areas a bit of a risk? You could end up creating bureaucracy.
That is the risk, and that's where the subtlety of his method comes in. He manages it by focusing on the values and the attitudes first.
Oh, okay.
The KRAs and the incentive programs he designs are a direct result of those values. So they're simple, they're measurable, and they push the team forward without all that bureaucratic drag. It's all about results.
So when you boil it all down, this whole approach is about turning challenges into real, tangible opportunities. He makes sure every single strategy is practical and actionable right now.
Exactly. And that leaves us with a really interesting thought for everyone listening to consider for their own teams. Given his deep corporate background and this whole idea of systematic empathy, think about his list of skills, things like taking ownership or maybe anger and stress management. Which one of those critical skills do you think has the biggest, most immediate impact on a company's productivity in the competitive world we're in today? Is something we're thinking about.